Hey guys, Shafkat here, welcome to my channel, and if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe for the content I will be providing you. So today we will unbox the boAt ProGear. The functions that this wearable will be providing you is So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, let's crack the seal. So as I crack the seal, let's open it. So, some paperwork, some warranty card, and the watch itself. Let's take it aside and we'll see the watch itself. So it has nice rubber and it has nice build quality. So let's open the sticker. So I think it looks good, and so it's a nice looking watch, and if you wanna buy this watch, I will provide the link in the description, and it probably will be priced at 1,800 rupees or approximately $20 for the international audience. So it looks awesome. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, do a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you wanna say something, say in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. See ya.